Hi everyone, Santo here today, and today we are opening up a Topps Chrome update hobby box. I got this one off of eBay for cheaper than the one off of Topps website. I think I got it for like 105. Topps I got for like, well, MSRP for Topps was 120, and I got this before my Topps order. So I mean, not only was this cheaper, but I got it quicker. So yeah, not a good look for Topps at all. I remember people pre-ordering these for 150 and I didn't pull the trigger. I was just waiting, and when I saw it on Topps for 120, I was like, oh shit, that could be a pretty good deal. And so I brought it. Ooh, okay. First one is a Pena. That's pretty good. Oh gosh. You guys see this print line right here? Ooh. That is rough. That's not a rookie. Reggie Jackson. Aaron Savale. So that is rough. That's what people meant. Oh well. So yeah, so I mean, I brought it. I brought a few on the Topps website, and then I went to, okay, that's a Julio. Let's at least we got Julio. That's actually it's off centered, but there's no visible print line, which is good. So as I was saying, I brought it online, and then I checked Top. Oh, I brought Top on Top, and then checked eBay, and it was cheaper on eBay. I was like, kind of want to cancel it, and I couldn't cancel it on Topps. So I was just let's just leave it. Byron Buxton. I love these cards. The All-Star refractors are really nice looking. Starling Marte. So 3 purples so far and no rookies. Matt Olson, Michael Lorenzen, Mackenzie Gore. Oh my god. They're so all centered. Honestly, that Julio, comparing everything else, that Julio is actually pretty decent. So let me take it. Taylor Walls. That's actually not bad to see, honestly. Generation Now of Bobby Witt Jr. Put that one here. Robert Schneider. So we're done with a 4th, or after this pack will be a 4th of them, and no rookie color so far. Tune Bryce Elder, Jose Miranda. Oh, speak of the devil. Okay. I don't know this guy though. I did see the last pack, it was, or the last card was a giant, and I was like, oh, probably not a rookie, at least probably not a notable one. Jose Miranda rookie debut. That's actually okay. Julio Ramos, Satchel Paige, Shamania. So I haven't been opening much lately. I've been buying a lot of singles though. I sold one of my Judge rookie autos, and I managed to pick up other Judge rookie autos. I sold one of the Topps Chromes ones, so I decided to use that to open some. I was really looking at Topps Stadium Chrome Club. Stadium Club Chrome. But I don't even know if it's gonna come out this year actually. Hunter Green, Juan Soto. That's a really cool looking card. I like those a lot. All season's been kind of crazy. It's really fun keeping up with everything. Mets are making waves in free agency, which is nice. But the playoffs are always a crapshoot, so what happens? We'll see what happens next year. Romeo Tapia, that guy got traded. Jake Marisnik, Generation Now, O'Neal Cruz, Purple Quintanilla. Wow. Are purple rookies hard to pull or something? Cause I hate these packs. They're opening weird. Cause I'm done with half of them now, and yeah, it's been pretty bad. Jokes Profar, John Gray, AJ Pollock. Okay, well maybe it's in the second half. So there are. Well, so the first half of the box is very underwhelming. I mean, at least I got Julio, I guess, and DJ Abrams, and that's a rookie. Ooh, okay, debut. Yeah, that's a little off-center too. So that's my second rookie debut in a purple. Also, no numbered cards right now, which is kind of disappointing. Logan Webb, Simon Musodi. Yeah, I'm gonna need a bunch more purple color, please. Purple rookies. Seems to be the last card, so I'm trying not to reveal the last card easily. Bruhan. Syndergaard. Cole. That's a cool looking card. Theo Mets. Jose Azocar. Julio. Okay, debut. Centering is a little bit off, but there's no visible issues at least, which, you know, is better. Richie Palacio, Isaac Rodars, Juan Soto Generation Now, Alec Thomas. I was actually thinking about picking, this is actually decently centered. I was actually thinking about picking up some Alec Thomas, and that's a true rookie for purple, because the Yankees are rumored to get him, and so that'll be kind of interesting. Leonard Pena, this is a debut. I'll put over here. Ryan Bannon, Rene Pinto, Brett Miller. Alright. Last four. I need at least one like real color to save this. Come on, man. You can do it. You can do it, Petro. Is that my auto? Into my auto? Oh, whatever, I'll just flip it. Boom. That is not an auto. That was just flipped around for no reason. Okay, cool. Warren Spin. Ron Marchino. She looks kind of good. That's probably going to stay in the PC. Yeah, they really had to flip a card over just to troll me. Josh Harrison. That's the May. Carlos. Oh my god, that card looks so ugly. That photo. Cesar Hernandez. Robinson Chinos. Sean Doolittle. Doolittle. Starling Marte. Oh, okay, that's a nice one. Bobby Witt Jr. debut. I think a lot of people have said this, but that should have been his rookie card. And because that picture is just amazing. Tyler Molly. I'm not even a Bobby fan. IKF. And there's a Bobby. Yeah, it is. But look at the centering. Holy moly. Joey Wentz is a rookie. So that was honestly very underwhelming. No numbered cards. I mean, just based off of this, I probably wouldn't go near. I mean, it's too late for me, but like Clevenger, Generation Now, Jordan. I don't know what that is. I'm sorry. I just have no idea. Alright, last pack. Honestly, if this sucks, I might just have to open another box. It's like, holy shit, my guy. Okay. Seiya, true rookie. It's not bad. Chris Bassett. I mean, looking at one box, I got how many purple rookies? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which I think is actually pretty decent. Only issue is Abrams is kind of desired, I guess, right? Abrams is kind of desired. Thomas is probably on the same level, and then there's Witt, and the Witt is his debut, so that's pretty bad. But as always, for science, may the second one be better. Oops. Sorry about that. I just knocked you over. Look for autographs and 1 of 1 super factors. Thanks, Thomas. Alright, let's go. Dig right into the second box. Let me move this a little bit. Alright, cool. Shift them back. Alright. Think positive. Think Julio's. Fomer, Luke Williams, Bob Gibson, Chris Bryant. Think Julio. Are you thinking about Julio's? Because I'm thinking about Julio's. Aaron Martino. Oh, okay. This one's actually not bad, I think. Brendan Donovan. Did he win NL Rookie of the Year? That's the guy, right? I think he did. I don't think he's in regular update either, so it could be pretty valuable going forward. Bobby Witt. Miggy. That's an amazing photo of Miggy, though. I will admit to that. Cosense. Jacob Dozy. Okay, take that. And Judge. Okay. You're not going anywhere, Aaron Judge. You're gonna stay in my PC. Think Julio. Where's Lewis? That's okay. Serger. Continue. Serger. Tavera. Savale. Alex Thomas. Alec Thomas. Don't know who that is. Damn. So this is like my second year opening update. I could have sworn update had. Well, I guess it does have a lot of rookies, but I was gonna say that it had like, you know, a shorter checklist, because like there's a bunch of guys I don't know, and I watch a lot of baseball, and usually a lot of the obscure players I know have heard of them in some capacity, you know. It's a rookie debut on the back, so that's why I'm just kind of surprised. Connor, like the iron. Oh, it's an auto. What is it? Andres Palente and Mackenzie Gore. Where are my sleeves? Okay, well, my sleeves are not here right now, so let's see. 3.81 ERA. Okay, whatever. We take it. Auto's an auto. Everyone knows the rules. I'll move these out of the side. These are pretty bad. Move the purples down a little bit, and then move them right here. There you go. At least the second box had an auto, I guess. Could have been a Julio though. Mackenzie Gore. It's pretty decent. Shohei generation now. Ooh, that's a nice one. And that's actually decently centered. Maybe this is a Granny candidate. I I'm not high on torque, but it's more like I'm buying low on torque. So, because I feel like he has the potential, guys. In there, Steven Matz, Cousins. So first half of this box is much better. There's an auto, there's a top rookie, top like mid-tier rookie, Oneil Cruz debut. Ooh, Thomas, Christy Mathewson, Chris Archer. He's still playing. Question mark. But I would still like a number of tops. Like how about like a color Julio, Brendan Donovan. Oh, that actually looks decent. Gore, Manea, where's Lewis? Oh, that's actually not bad. All right, so that half was much better, but still a little underwhelming. Cesar Hernandez, Dario Estrada, Johnny Mize, boom. Michael Pineda, he's also still playing. Joey Wentz, Chris Bassett, Christian Pache, Shane Baz. Will Smith, Ian Gomez. Ooh, that's so pretty. Machado. Jensen. Ray Tops. You can do it. Soler, Brad Miller, Corey Kluber, free agent. Ray Tops. Where's my Julios? Nick Goodrum. George Kirby. That's actually my first Kirby. He's going to good pile. Bryson. Oh my gosh. Why are there so many non-rookie purples? And non-Julio as well. Nola. Ooh. Pollock. Lucius Fox. Oneil Cruz. I don't know what Oneil Cruz is. I don't really care about Oneil Cruz though, because I don't know. I'm just not as high on Cruz as other people are. Kirby. Detmers. Stories. Seager. Plummer, Owen Miller, Xander. Ooh, Cortez. That probably goes in the PC. Cortez doesn't have many cards. First good year. Matt Fresh, JJ, Matchich, Hunter Green. Ooh, Ryan Pitt. Ugh. I mean, I'll take it. Who knows? Who knows? Simmons in the back. Ugh. Yeah. Okay, so 2 boxes down, and honestly, I am disappointed as Joe Perez. My disappointment is through the roof. That'll be another one. Might as well. This is the last one I received, and most likely the last one I'm gonna open. Oh. Pretty disappointed so far. Like, on scale of like 1 to 10, how I feel about it so far, I'll probably give it like 3. 2 boxes, no numbered cards, alright. I mean, that's just how it is sometimes, but That doesn't mean I don't, can't be disappointed. Homer, so Chipper Jones, Hunter Renfroe. I don't open much product either, so I mean, we'll just leave it. It's fine. They got me this time. Alcantara, Jason, Matt Duffy, Stroman. Maybe I just got a bad run, you know? Seager, Radish, Pujols. Who's this? Bradley Zimmer. Tops. Stop giving, like, I don't really care about quality control at this point. Only, like, honestly, the first Pena I got was really bad. Otherwise than that, it's been, like, decent quality. My biggest issue right now, oh gosh, is this huge-ass pile of vets and non-numbered cards. Ryan Pedant, Joe Perez, Iglesias, Javier Baez, Perez, Paddock, Generation Now, Bryson Stott, Brian Lavista. Josh Winder. New Cruz rookie debut. Oh, Steven Kwan. That's my first Kwan. That's actually really nicely centered as well. That's like my first Kwan in how long? Like at all in 3 boxes. No debuts, nothing. Wander. That's my first Wander as well. And there's the debut. Oh, it does not belong here. It belongs over here. JP Sears is on the back. I see JP Sears. At least a rookie, I guess. And the Yankees, I can keep it. Odor, Ryan, Alcantara, Paddock. Yeah, I am going through these like so quickly now. So this box has been even worse than the first box. Oh, I need this auto. Joe Perez. Why? That's minor leagues. Like if he had 849 OPS in the majors, I'll be fine with it, but it's the minor leagues. Sorry. I mean, an auto's an auto. Matt Brash. Brandon Marsh. Oh my god, Matt Brash. I have lost my mind completely by how terrible this product is. Sanchez, Thomas. Let's see. Okay, half a box left to go. Brendan Donovan, Martin Perez, Clemente, Mike Busso. Kenzie Gore, Cole Sands, Kevin Smith, Rowdy Tellez. Luis Lewis, Drew Smiley, Austin Riley, Matt Duffy. Oh, disappointment. Serger, Pavetta, Winker, Chapman. Like, what the hell was that pack, man? Really? Like, that kind of pack exists? Freeman, Lugo, Ohtani, Bradish. Bradish is a rookie. Guess Not a good one. Patterson, Meadows, Joe Duran, Francisco Morales. Like, all right, let's see. Francisco Morales. They're not even pitching the majors. So why is he in this pharma? Ethan Roberts. I think he is a rookie. He is. Just not a good one. Kane. Chase Liff. Quan debut. Murray. Perez. Nick Lodolo debut. It's fine, I guess. At this point, I am just like depressed. Gabriel Arias. Arias Kershaw. Kevin Smith. Like, I mean, I'm fine overall, but like, this product has like me pretty down. Like, it's pretty bad. Edward Cabrera, Ricky Sherman, Carlos Correa. There's only 2 more packs to go, but I think it's safe to say don't buy these and just open singles. The rest of my boxes that are coming from Topps, I am keeping them sealed. They are not getting opened. Maybe one day, you know, Julio is so hot that people will buy these off the secondary market, because oh man, I am not opening any more of these. These are guys. There's Witt, and it's just in Durant. Okay, so let's do the total. 3 boxes, no number cards, 0 number cards. Oh, man, I mean there are a bunch of purple rookies, and you know what they say about rookies. You never know. I think, but honestly, true rookie purples, right? The really like converted ones. I guess Lodolo's kind of converted. Who else? Quan. Did I get anyone else? I like Donovan. I don't know how high people are of Donovan, but he could be a good one to keep. Thomas is like second tier, true rookie. So this is a rookie debut. This is rookie debut. That's it. It's really 3 boxes. I got 4 decently converted rookie purples, 0 color. I did get 2 autos. I'm just taking another look just to make sure I didn't skip anyone. True rookies. No. Okay. Just looking at here now. I did get this one Witt, which is pretty off-centered. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but I don't know if it's supposed to be like that. No, I think it's supposed to be like that, okay. So it's not like a print line. Decently clean. I got one Quan debut. Brendan Donovan, I think got a few, but this is really bad centering. Like, that's ungradable. Only a 1 Warner, and it was a debut. Another Donovan. This one's much better than the other one, but even then, it's like, it's really gradable. Seiya, decently centered. Another Witt. The Julio debut, decently centered. Another Julio. This one actually might be pretty nice though. This paint is fucked. There's no other way around it. So Julio is pretty decent actually. Maybe I should send this to grade. Give him the 2 autos. Just Palante and Joe Perez. I'm rooting for you too. Yes, I am. Yeah. Okay. Well. Thanks for watching, guys. Again, my recommendation is not to buy these products. As you can see from a 3-box break, it's pretty underwhelming. And yeah, that's it. All right, thanks. Bye-bye.